sit down? That's right. You want to just sit down right here?
Sure, I'll sit over here. It's a lot warmer. Okay, well.
Sorry, the fireplace. How are you today? Good. Beautiful during Christmas. Taking photos? Yeah. That's what you do? Just mommy and me, just because they're not